Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Get away!
Found out who the world's fastest car is. Plus, no press, no trophy, just racing. The way I...
Je reed over precies dit gedeelte van de snelweg. En toen zag het een onnatuurlijk...
Wow! I have friends now!
We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. There, right there, in the hood, right there.
Rookie has won the Piston Cup.
Yes! We have a three-way...
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen?
how lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I may accept the Dynaco folks. Oh, and the twin.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy your... Is everything okay?
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No.
I hereby dub thee.
Aha, back it up.
Hello, pace! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
No, no, no! ¡Salgan de la tienda! ¡Hey! ¡No comas la radial! Toma, te doy los de nieve.
Take soldaat, dit is een bevel.
Neem een slokje water. Nou!
It is my absolute honor to introduce to you the competitors in the first ever...
Trooper responded. Where's Mater? Right behind. Whoa. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
¿Te gusta nuestra...?
Why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire. Over here.
He cut himself off, disappeared to Radiator Springs. Son of a gun didn't talk to me for 50 years.
That road is Big Al.
Busy? Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you lemon?
Oh, is that right? Then why don't we just have a little race? Me and you.